4th of July tips and tricks from Team Liberty. Tip number 1. Dinnerware. You can use your Mystic X as an emergency cup. Just remember to plug the bottom. Whoopsies. Better luck next time. Tip number 2. Decorations. Don't have a vase on hand? Just grab your Cosmic. Remember to water those beautiful dandelions. There you go, sweetheart. Tip number 3. Grilling out. For tenderizing steak, use your Chaotic. Its sturdiness will give you excellent meat pounding capabilities. For added versatility in those stubborn nooks and crannies, use your Mystic X as well. Get in there. Delicious. Tip number 4. Find Cuisine. If you run out of food, just grill your silencer.
No, I haven't done yet.
Mystics have a longer cook time than average, so please be patient. Tip number 5. Explosive fun. Don't have a fireworks stand? No problemo. Just shoot them out of your various Liberty silencers. Every can is excellently rated for explosive materials, so just sit back and enjoy the show. Have some fun! I hope that these tips were helpful and that you enjoyed the video. We certainly enjoyed making it. Bang bang bang, boom boom boom, bang 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 bang. And of course, happy 4th of July from the Liberty team.